Today, we will be showcasing a model recipe of a vitamin-fortified functional drink. The vitamin blend utilized is intended to boost immunity recovery. According to Innova Market Insights, one of the top 5 claims of food and beverage launches globally in 2019 contained active health claims. We anticipate that we will continue to see increased growth as more consumers have an interest in functional wellness. This functional orange beverage showcases the easy dispersibility and usability of the Power V Vitamin Blend. The Power V Vitamin Blend is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. This beverage gets its sweetness from stevia Reb M, allulose, and the liquid FOS instead of table sugar. The driving reason for this is to reduce the amount of total sugar in the product. The allulose replaced the granularity and dissolved solids of the table sugar, but only replaced 70% of the sweetness. The stevia Reb M replaces the remaining 30% of sweetness. The FOS is mainly used for dietary fiber, but it brings some sweetness that supports the overall sweetness profile. It is an ideal application for liquid FOS from chicory inulin, which functions at the low pH, 3.5 pH, of a beverage. Not all liquid FOS products can say this. In this application, the liquid FOS can be qualified as an excellent source claim for dietary fiber in this recipe, with a usage level of 5 grams per serving. The addition of cellulose gum added to the formulation gives the beverage a desired body and mouthfeel. Naturally sourced color and flavor enhance the beverage's appearance and taste, and deliver the expected sensory experience. A benefit to adding color allows for limited to no ringing on the drink container from any dissolved fibers in the beverage. This demo can also be transformed into a powdered drink mix as well. If you're interested to learn more, please reach out to your local Brenntag food and nutrition specialist or use our contact information. Thank you.